Hi guys, my name is Artemiy and I'm a certified Salesforce Admin Artemiy. Our customers often ask us how to show an additional field depending on the other field value. In this brief video, I will answer this popular question. Let's get started. You need to know the particular reason why your leads are unqualified. Also, you want to fill in this info only when the lead status is unqualified. So, we have the lead status, unqualified reason fields, and an additional field called Other Details. The unqualified reason field should be visible only when lead status is unqualified. The Other Details field, on the other hand, should be visible only when you choose the unqualified reason as Other. I will show you how to do it using Lightning App Builder. First of all, you need to click the Gear button and click Edit Page. After that, you need to click Unqualified Reason from here and configure its visibility using Filter. So let's click Add Filter button. In our case, unqualified reason will be visible only when lead status is unqualified. So I select lead status as field and unqualified as value. I click Done button. I also make this field required. The same steps apply to Other Details field. It will be required as well and visible only when unqualified reason is Other. So select unqualified reason here and choose Other as a value. Let's save our changes and see how it works in practice. Now, on the lead record, we don't see the unqualified reason and Other Details field. Let's change the lead status to unqualified. The unqualified reason field appeared and we need to complete it. We can select any reason, but once we select Other, the Other Details field will appear too, and we also need to complete it. Let's type the comment, left and correct contact details. Now I can save this record. The implemented logic works perfectly well. You can try it on your own project. Well, that's it. Subscribe for more Q&A episodes. Write in the comments if you want us to answer your questions. Bye!